the Mustang. A bevy of biplanes taxiing out meanwhile, the Dragon Rapide, the Swordfish and the An-2. He's getting ready for our big biplane formation coming up shortly. Next up, a true warbird, an aircraft that saw still use these aircraft. The Polish Air Force has them as trainers for its transport fleet. And of course, North Korea, which is around to will probably form part of any initial attack against the South. Chris?
Yes, thanks very much indeed, and we'll look forward to this flying for you again tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, Graham. Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.
Flying a very spirited T-28 display for us.
Now, those of you at the western end of the airfield may have been able to see on that mast this year, which is carrying the logo missing from that.
And in turn, crews greatly appreciated themselves. Peter Crichton touching down, he's a very still. Was on the 30th of March that year operating under the call sign Teamwork 75. While engaged in a rescue sortie, it landed on the water but it was unable to take off again. It's worth remembering, of course, that the development of fighter airplanes, that was the day that carried those 21 1,000-pound bombs. That's about roughly 10 tons of payload, and it was the longest. So, £2 million a year, that's about £38,500 a week that has to be found, mostly from the great British public. There's been a lot of support from the aviation industry and the Civil Aviation Authority, Marshall Aerospace, Rolls-Royce, AD Holdings, BAE Systems, EADS, Goodrich, Judd Power, Kearsley Airways, Meggitt, Messier Doughty, and some amazing contributions. Very potent performer in some respects for its day. It was, in some ways, the
ultimate development of the Albatross series. In order to hopefully reuse them on future operations. Most C-47s had that gear removed against orders so that they could be fully versatile as parachute jump platforms for the invasion, but not this one. It has no stalling speed quoted in the pilot's handbook, does it?
No, indeed. In fact, if you get a problem